Hello and welcome. In this video we are discussing about SAP ABAP Tables. So tables can be defined independent of the database in ABAP dictionary. So when a table is activated in ABAP dictionary, similar copy of its fields created in the database as well. So the tables defined in ABAP dictionary are translated automatically into the format that is compatible with the database, because the definition of the table depends on the database used by the SAP system. A table can contain one or more fields, each defined with its data type and length. The large amount of data stored in a table is distributed among the several fields defined in the table. Types of table fields. So a table consists of many fields and each field contains many elements. So the table lists the different elements of table fields. First, a field name. This is the name given to a field that can contain a maximum of 16 characters. And the field name may be composed of digits, letters and underscores. It must begin with a letter. Key flag determines whether or not a field belongs to a key field. Field type assigns a data type to a field. Field length, the number of characters that can be entered in a field. Decimal places defines the number of digits permissible after the decimal point, and this element is used only for numeric data types. Short text describes the meaning of the corresponding field. Creating tables in ABAP dictionary. Go to transaction SC11, select the database table radio button and enter a name for the table to be created. In our case, we have entered the name Z Customers 1. Click the create button and the dictionary maintain table screen appears. And here the delivery and maintenance tab is selected by default. Enter an explanatory short text in the short description field. Click the search help icon beside the delivery class field. Select application table master and transaction data option. Select the display maintenance allowed option from the data browser table maintenance view drop down menu. The dictionary maintenance table screen appears. Select the fields tab. The screen containing the options related to the fields tab appears. Enter the names of the table fields in the field column, and a field name may contain letters, digits and underscores, but it must always begin with a letter and must not be longer than 16 characters. The fields that are to be created must also have data elements, because they take attributes such as data type, length and decimal places and short text from the defined data element. Select the key column if you want to be part of the table key, and let the create fields such as client, customer name, title and date. The first field is an important one and it identifies the client which records are associated with. Enter client as the field and MANDT as the data element, and the system automatically fills in the data type, length, decimals and short description. The client field is made a key field by checking the key box. Step 9. The next field is customer. Check the box to make it a key field and enter the new data element is set custom. Click the save button. Step 10. As the data element is set custom doesn't exist, it has to be created. So double click the new data element and create a data element window appears. Answer yes to this and maintain a data element window appears. Enter customer name in number in the short description area. The element type called domain should be defined for the new data element. So enter is set cust d1, double click it and agree to save the changes made. Choose yes to create the domain type and into the short description of the domain. The definition tab opens automatically. The field is a data type. Step 12. Click inside the box and select num_c from the drop down menu. Enter the number 8 in the number of characters field a maximum of 8 characters, and enter 0 in decimal places area. The output length of 8 must be selected and then press enter. An MC field description must reappear, confirming that this is a valid entry. Step 13, click save and button and activate the object. Step 14, press F3 to return to the maintain change data element screen. Create 4 fields as shown. After this, save and activate the element. Step 15, press the back button to return to the table maintenance screen. Customer column has the correct data type, length, decimal and short description. This indicates the successful creation of a data element and also the domain use. Similarly, we need to create 3 additional fields such as name, title and DOB. Step 16, select technical settings from the toolbar. Choose APPL0 for the data class and the first size category 0 for size category field. In case of buffering options, buffering not allowed has to be selected. Step 17, click save, go back to table and activate it. So the table is set, customers 1 is activated. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP tables, and we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. And if you are the first time here, subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button to see the latest technology videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.